Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Breaking news this morning: with the failure of Rocket Lab, we now see an explosive opportunity in Rocket Lab this morning. It will affect our Virgin Galactic as well. What did I do? I doubled my position when it went down this morning. It went down quite a lot and it's come back up since then. It was down nearly 30% at one point, we need to cover that on the show today because this is one of those golden opportunities for a solid gold company. We've had perfect success, no failures in 2 years. This reminds me of the situation that we get with Tesla, we had with Amazon at the beginning of its journey. This is not a problem as I see it at all. This is an opportunity to buy more. So I doubled my position. All right, let's get ready. Very, very big day today on the markets. Welcome everybody. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Let's get straight into it. Okay, I'll give you all the information that you need on the screen below. Let me just go and change that camera angle back there. That's better. Okay, so what are we doing? Rocket Lab. This will affect Virgin Galactic, bound to the failure. Reminds us of Virgin Orbit. But we're not going to let that concern us. Let's go through our position. You can see now Rocket Lab. Now, what I did this morning, so I'm always sharing everything with you before I do it, which is crazy, really, because why would anyone tell anyone what they're going to do before they do it? It affects the price. Well, first of all, I can't affect the price. I'm too small. And secondly, we built this channel on being the most trustworthy channel in the world. It's not about me. It's about providing the best service for my audience. So first of all, this is today's event here. If you can share this video out, we need to get as many people aware of what's happened, and we're going to discuss the news in a minute. There is today's video. Please share it out. Let me jump on into Rumble and give all my Rumblers, everybody on TikTok, if you join me on YouTube, I can give you the links to all these things. Let me give it to my Rumblers there as well. There you go. Fabinacci Blues supporting me over there as he always does on Rumble as well. Okay. Thank you very much. Now then, just a few moments ago, about an hour ago actually, I actually bought Rocket Lab before pre-market, very, very early in the morning, about 6 o'clock this morning. So an hour and a half ago, you can see I put it out straight away 55 minutes ago. This is the poll. The poll was urgent: Rocket Lab down, failure on flight to stock. So stock down 23%. I've just doubled my position. Are you with me? And let me give you that link and go and vote on that poll. There we go. We'll just, Z-Hink, we're going to discuss it in a few moments' time. There is the poll. Make sure that you vote on this poll. I doubled my position and I'll explain why. I also, you might want to comment to this post as well. Rocket Lab failure, stock down big. Expect volatility today with Virgin Galactic as well. That's whoops-a-daisy. Where am I? Just lost my place there. Beg your pardon. Let me go back there. Come on. Yes, there we go. Expect volatility today with Virgin Galactic. Go and leave me your thoughts there as well. All right. I don't need to give you the link to that. You'll have it once you go to the other link. All right. Okay. So there's our poll, and we'll come back to our poll later and we'll see 58% bought more. And there's a damn good reason why you should, because the company's in good position. It acquired Virgin Orbit. It's not going bust. Its cash reserves are good. Everything's good. It's the first failure in 2 years. We need to understand that. It's got a very, very good track record. We've had a failure. And if you think about it, it makes perfect sense. Those that are in the stock that have made some money, that are up, the moment that you get that information, you dump the stock, right? Because you know it's going to go down. And all you've got to do is, if you're a big whale, is dump your stocks, drive it down, and what happens? Simple. Simple. The stock goes down, overreaction, and then the same people buy it back up again. So when there's blood on the streets and there's fear, you go shopping if the company is sound. So I've always wanted to buy Rocket Lab at that price. So with that news, I jumped in and doubled my position. All right. So anyway, very, very good. But expect some volatility with Rocket Lab today, and also expect it with Virgin Galactic. So my overall position, you can see, went plummeting down, and it's coming up much quicker than Warren Buffett or the S&P. Of course it is, because it's an overreaction. There might be another dip on the bell, and I've got some more cash reserves to do it again if it should go lower. Let me read the comments, make sure I've got everybody with me. Virgin Galactic is holding at the moment. The news hasn't really filtered through to Virgin Galactic, I don't think. Not really. Rocket Lab, I bought it here, and as you can see, I'm 14% down now. I was like 45% down this morning. I'm 14% down. I couldn't be happier, to be perfectly honest. And it's down 19% today after we've already had big dips. So I'm going to be in the money quite quickly. I also bought on my main account as well. So I doubled both positions. I got an average of 520 and 473. Very, very good. I could buy some more, but, you know, balance is very, very important. Very, very important. Let me read the comments. Good morning, everyone. Crap day here. NEO down, down, down. I would never buy NEO. It's rubbish. It's a Chinese manipulated stock. Would not touch it. If you're going to buy an EV, you only buy Tesla. Rocket Lab in the gutter, had a mission failure. Scrap next mission 2, down 20%. If it drops in the low threes, I'll average down. I've already bought it. It's already going up. So already an overreaction anyway. I think this is extremely overreaction. It's the first failure in 2 years. Why would anyone... well, obviously you'd sell it because it drives it down and then you buy it back. I've already bought it. I'm very happy. Hi, Bill, Sensei, Fibonacci. How are you? Morning. Good morning. Hi, Mike. Buy when people are fearful. It's a no-brainer, really, to be perfectly honest. Hey, Bill.
Chin Dynasty Drones Bill has become a member. Number 1, yeah.
Number 1, yay! He's not technically a new member. He's been a member now for 20 months. Silver member, 20 months. How about that? One of our top members there, Bill. I didn't have Rocket Lab on the radar, but might have to nibble on the dip. We split between Virgin Galactic and Rocket Lab. It's very, very important to have Rocket Lab, I think, if you're into Virgin Galactic, because you can trade them both with each other. What happened to Rocket Lab? We're going to go on to the news in a minute. Have bought more yet, but will when the market opens. Watch the launch. My opinion is that the second stage engine had a failure. It did, possibly a valve. It didn't fire as usual, and there were lots of sparks and smoke from behind on board camera, says Mark Saxby. How can you buy before the market opens if it's not a 24-hour stock? Pre-market is from 6 a.m. on Robinhood. I was buying at 1 minute past 6. 1 minute past 6. Good morning, Virgin SPCE people. Always watching. Thanks again for all your hard work. Paris 22. My pleasure. Look at it coming up now. Oh my gosh. Martyn, what did you sell to put into Rocket Lab? I took some profit off Amazon. I'm up 40% on Amazon, so I took it because you've just got to when you get a discount like that. I always said I've always got cash ready to move. Okay, Hamster, our friend from Russia. Let me translate this this comment here. It says in Russian. It says,
"Good morning, everyone. Martyn, please explain. What do you think? Why is the Virgin Galaxy falling so sharply?"
Доброе утро всем. Мартин, объясни, пожалуйста. Как ты считаешь, почему так резко падает Virgin Galactic?
That's a long answer, a very long. There's a very long answer to that. There's not a quick answer to that. But we've been discussing it on the last week. We've got the FOMC report tomorrow. Things will go up tomorrow if we get a pause, not if we get a skip, and certainly not if we get a rate hike. That's why it's also going to be affected today by a mission failure for Rocket Lab. Also, what we've got this morning. What we've got is we've got the target I set of 150 always being the target I said it would go to, because that's the point where the short squeezes will come in, and that's where institutions are waiting for it to go, because then it's undervalued. Institutions' money buys things undervalued, and we are now undervalued. This could be a very, very good day for us today to pick up some more Virgin Galactic at 150 with the explosion, with the failure of Rocket Lab overnight. So this is a very big day, a very good day for us, actually. So if you just tuned in, what a day this is going to be. What a day this is going to be. No question about it. Between Rocket Lab and Virgin Galactic, get ready to make some money. I'm already making money. I'm very, very happy on this now. So if you just tuned in, let's get the funky music going. Here we go. Let's get some action today. Rocket Lab and Virgin Galactic tie together today, making some money. Let's bring everybody up to date. Here we go. Let's go in. Right, we've got 46 watching this morning. It's a big morning. I'm going to cover the news in a few moments. 46 watching. Let's get 20 likes. 23 likes. That'll be 50%. If you like my content and you want to be shown more and you want to help the channel grow and you want to be kept in the loop with breaking news, tap the like button. If you don't like my content and don't want to see it, please tap the down like. I will tell you that my ratio is 99.5 up like. That's not to persuade you in any way. It's to show you, actually, when you look at it, it's because only about half of the people actually bother to vote, which is a great shame, because by tapping the like or the down like, you will engineer the algorithm to show you what you want to see. If you don't want to see me, and I don't mind, I don't expect everyone to like me. I mean, that I probably don't like you. So tap the down like button, and then you'll be shown what you want. And YouTube will suggest something else, and I will get a more engaged audience. We'll grow faster. You'll make more money because you'll be happier. You'll see better things. Everybody wins. So don't just sit there. Tap the like button. Get involved. 21 likes now. There we go. Going up. We're at 48. So 25 would be 50%, which is about the average of people that vote. We're trying to get to 75% and get an engaged audience. Some of you might be behind the stream. That's why it's slowly going up, but it's going up now. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for taking part in that. Really appreciate it. Okay, let's get ready to go this afternoon. Now then, we've got a poll running on X. Are you buying more? 60% of you have bought more. That's why it's gone up again this morning. What an opportunity you had this morning. Copy the link to the X poll. Go and vote on it now. Surely you've got to go and vote on this and leave your comments as well. Rocket Lab this morning. There it is. All right. There's your post. Everybody over there on TikTok, you're missing out this morning because you can't see what's going on. You are looking at my YouTube broadcast on my phone. I can't broadcast professionally on TikTok. So you're missing out what's going on. Huge opportunity today with Rocket Lab to make money. Huge opportunity. And you're missing it. If you are a serious trader and not just scrolling through looking for, ladies shaking their bums about. If you are actually a trader and you are serious. Oh, thank you ever so much, Flexo World, for the diamonds. Appreciate that. If you become a subscriber, click the star above my head. I will answer all your questions, get exclusive content. I'll make video for you, and I will get everyone to follow you as well. I've got nearly 37,000 followers. And I will invite everyone to do that. If you click the star and become one of my Luca badge owners. Right, if you want to join us on YouTube, the link's in the profile. It's youtube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. Links in the profile. Be very, very careful. There's about 100 people on TikTok pretending to be me. They're not me. Why? How do you know? Well, first of all, I'm always live. They're never live. They always steal my content. And they changed my name by one letter or one dot or one underscore. I have asked TikTok to verify my account, but they won't. God knows why. So it continues to go on. They always follow you, and you follow them back for some reason. I don't follow anyone whatsoever on my TikTok account to show you this is the real, genuine account. I've got 37 followers, 37,000 followers by just going live every day, not by following people. Also, I'll never message you and try and sell you anything. Everyone tries to sell you something. I will never contact you, never message you. I'm here to help people. So if you want to become part of the real investment family, youtube.com/@MartynLucasInvestor. Links in the profile. Let me get back to my audience. Okay, let's have a look at the comments coming in now. Martyn, okay, did that. Good morning, Nonny. Good morning to you. I'm almost tempted to put a big order on Virgin Galactic for 150, just in case of a flash crash. Not a bad idea. How did the music show go for you, Martyn? It's funny you mentioned that, Mike. Turned up. What's going on? Nobody here. Called up the booker, and they said, we're terribly sorry. We made a mistake. It's tomorrow night, but we forgot to tell you. Well, what are you going to do about it then? I mean, I'm here. So they said, I've already been paid. This is why I always make sure I get paid first because of these situations. I said, well, what do you want to do? So they rebooked me for tonight. So I'm going back again tonight. Unbelievable. So I'll let you know tomorrow how the gig went. Good morning, Octavio. Smash Paris 22. Thank you very much. You said you sold Amazon. That was on your brokerage or Roth? It was on my brokerage. On my Roth, I sold a few shares of Tesla to be able to buy it. Yes. Good morning to everybody watching live. Martyn Lucas Investor. $17 average on space. Worst performance that I bought and still buying. The logic is rough on this one. 21 Marrakesh. Where are you from? You're not from Marrakesh, are you, by any chance? We've got members in 40 countries around the world. So where are you from? Okay, let's have a look. My portfolio is coming up. I'm behind the S&P and I'm behind Warren Buffett in blue. I'm in red. As you'd expect, it went down dramatically this morning, but I've managed to buy those dips. Virgin Galactic is holding. We'll see what happens on the bell. I bought some Berkshire Hathaway yesterday. My first share in Berkshire Hathaway. ARM is down. No surprise. Told everybody not to buy it. I posted the video on the channel. Here it is. I told everybody do not buy ARM because it will go straight back down. I did it on IPO day just to prove that I would back up what I said. There it is. There's the warning. Wait, I put it right there. I'm making relationships with people at ARM, hence the person's face here. And anyway, people didn't listen to me. They went out and bought it, and it's gone all the way back down again. So I'll be buying it soon, but not yet. Probably not for another 2 or 3 weeks. Okay, let's go back. Virgin Galactic is holding. My Berkshire Hathaway is up today. I am up on it. Very nice indeed. ARM, still too expensive. It's worth $20. Simple as that. Palantir, going back down. Mullen, rubbish. Gold, worth buying. Anything under 180. The S&P, I've trimmed off the top. I'm out pretty much. I'll be buying it again soon with profits from Rocket Lab. Amazon, I trimmed off the top here this morning, up here. It's gone down since then. And I trimmed back a little bit. I was up like 48%. I'm down. I'm up at 40% now. 39.79, 40%. Trimmed it off the top this morning around about here. It's gone down since then. I can buy it back soon. Apple, NEE, Enphase is going up. My solar's going up slowly every day. I keep nibbling and improving my position on my Enphase. Coca-Cola, J&J, Kenvue, Chevron. I haven't got that much longer to wait now. Only another 7%, and I'll be selling my Chevron. So I'm looking forward to that, making some good profit on that. Tesla, I just sold some Tesla to do it. Yeah. The right time to do it as well. Yeah. Happy with that. Use some Tesla money, tax-free on my Roth IRA to buy my Rocket Lab. Let's go back to Rocket Lab and have a look. So we'll do a Rocket Lab video now I need to put out. I must say, though, Palantir has been holding these levels pretty well lately. Indeed. Right. Let's do a video specifically on Rocket Lab right now. Here we go. This will go out later. Okay, for those who can't join in the live show. So 19 minutes. 19 RKLB. Rocket Lab, Rocket Lab, Rocket Lab. Here we go. So we've done our main update so far this morning, but this is for the benefit of those who don't watch the main show, who watch it later on. Sensei, do you want to be part of a Rocket Lab video? Sensei, do you want to call in? Do you want to do a Rocket Lab video with me? One of my best trades, without a doubt. Just down 12% now. Very, very good. Now, you might go, well, why didn't you buy more? Because I still want to be in my other positions. Lots of stocks going to drop 50%. George, love your videos and especially your lives. Always listen at work since I have found you. Amazing content. I appreciate everything. Seth, Houston, where are you from? Consider becoming one of our members on the inside, and then you can get information before anybody else. You can get exclusive live videos that only members see. You can get, I will reply to you on all my social media. You get a birthday treats. You get special events. Sure, 5 minutes. Okay, on it. Sensei Crypto, get on it. Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much. So we're going to have Sensei Crypto with a Rocket Lab special in 5 minutes. Brilliant. Seth, where are you from? Consider becoming a member, and I can give you many, many gifts and benefits to being a member. And I'm here to help you and serve you and, you know, be the best YouTube TV channel in the world. That's my aim. That's what I won't stop doing until we are there. Okay, right. We've got a Rocket Lab special then coming up in a few minutes' time. I've got all the information. I've got Sensei coming in a few minutes, 5 minutes. He's preparing some charts. I will open up the broadcast lounge. There it is. For Sensei to come on in. Stock news. Thank you for all of you, my research team, sending in information. This is really, really helpful. Breakfast bar. Let's go and visit the breakfast bar for the members only. Here is Mike with his mug. Thank you ever so much indeed. Watching me on the telly. Explosive. That I can see that's today's show. I'm loving it. Loving it. All right, Rocket Lab, there's the latest video just out. Let me go into the broadcast lounge. I'll be here waiting for Sensei. You just tuned in. Good morning to you. Such a golden opportunity today. You don't get opportunities like this, and we're going to explain why in the video in a few minutes. I've got my fundamentals done. I also want Sensei to join me as well. So we're just waiting for that chart to be drawn up. Okay. I'm also getting some information from Rocket Lab themselves because I've got friends in Rocket Lab as well. Let me have a look here. Right. Okay. Okay. Let me go back to here. Rocket Lab. You can I just want to share with you what I'm doing so you can see. Back to here. Okay, I'm going to reply to these good people here. Rocket Lab. Virgin Explosive Day. There you go. Okay. There we go. Drop this in to our friends at Rocket Lab. Okay. Let's make sure that link is good. I'm sure it is. Yes, it is. Right. We'll come back to here. We want this information here. We're going to use this important statement in a few moments' time. Let me just zip in. 10 to 5 in the morning. So you've got to be up. You've got to be on it. Now that was actually 10 to 3 in the morning. That's why the stock dropped this morning. You've got to be on this stuff if you really want to take advantage of this breaking news. So we've got that. We're going to come back to Rocket Lab in a few moments. We've got this information I want to share. This information I want to share. Sensei is just about there by the looks of things. He's not there yet, but I'm sure he will be in a few moments' time. I'm going to full screen you and okay. I'm going to unmute you, Sensei, so you are ready to go. Unmute. There we go. Okay. We'll have him there. Okay. We're all good. We're all set. We're all set. Okay. We're all set. Yeah, I doubled my position on my Roth and my main account. Okay. Sensei, you're unmuted. Just talk to me when you're ready. Let me go back to the main account here. Right.
Hello, Martyn. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Lovely stuff. Sensei, how are you this morning?
I'm doing well, thank you.
How long do you need? Take all the time you need.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Lovely job. Okay. Okay. This is going to go out later as a main video. A lot of people watch me in different parts of the world at different times. In fact, 40 different countries. So everyone watches different. So you can enjoy this information that we're going to bring to you now, but this is for the benefit of others who can't watch. So if you see me pointing above my head to links and stuff like that, those links aren't there now, but they'll be there later. Okay, so Rocket Lab, urgent warning for Rocket Lab investors and Virgin Galactic investors. My investments are split up over the two companies. In this video, we've got full chart analysis being done live for you from Sensei Crypto is on the phone waiting for me now. We've got the information from Rocket Lab directly. I got friends at Rocket Lab like I have at Virgin Galactic. I'm going to give you my price targets, what I did with my shares, how much money I bought this morning. Did I buy some this morning? What's going on? The news, the whole lot. In this video, you're going to learn all of those things live as it happens. And let's get straight into it. So if you like my content, consider smashing the like button. It helps me out. I'm with you. I'm with Virgin Galactic, Rocket Lab. These are my two biggest, some of my biggest investments long term that I intend to make and have already lost over 30 grand with Virgin Galactic, but I'm not going anywhere. And now we've seen a massive drop today with Rocket Lab. Why? What's going on? What am I doing about it? Let's get straight into it. Okay, as you can see right now, I am down. We are down 18.45% on Rocket Lab. Now, we were down nearly 30% not that long ago. It wasn't that long ago. And there's a very good reason for that. And I'm going to show exactly what I did. So first thing I need to do is full disclosure, share with you my actual position. So you know what I'm saying is real. Here is my main brokerage position. I've just doubled it. I've just doubled my position. I was down some 40%, 45%. I'm down 21% now. Now, you might say, why wouldn't I buy more? Well, I'll explain why in a minute. My Roth IRA, I was down some 48%. I doubled it. I'm down 13% now. This is my position. So on my Roth IRA, it's 10% of my portfolio. On my brokerage account, it is 5.38% of my portfolio. This is all my money. I have no more money anywhere else. I use Robinhood as a bank account. If you want my link for Robinhood, look below the description of this video and you'll find my referral link where you get some free stocks. I use Robinhood exclusively. I only have my money in here. I use it to pay my bills. This is my bank account, so you know if I'm up, I'm up. I'm down, I'm down. You see what's going on. Right, what is the news with Rocket Lab? Why has it gone down? What have I done? And we're going to talk to Sensei in a few minutes from a chart perspective as well. Just like Virgin Galactic, I have friends on the ground, as I do with all the companies that I buy. I want to know what's going on, who's working there. We knew about the CEO selling his shares, 23 million last week. It drove the market down. I bought some. Overreaction on that one because he's got like 318 million. He sold 23 million. Everybody freaked out. That was perfectly acceptable. And now this morning it's gone down. Why has it gone down? Well, I'm going to give you the news right now. But let me tell you, it was bad news, but good news. Because if you know, that something bad is about to happen or has just happened, you know in the morning the markets are going to react negatively. So if you've got shares in that company, the best thing you can do, and if you've got profit in that company, is sell those shares because they're going to go down. And if you're a whale and you sell enough, you can drive it down nearly 30%, which is what happened this morning. And then what do? You buy it back because it will go down a lot more than when you've initially sold it, right? So I am not a whale and I wasn't in enough to drive the stock down, obviously. But what I did was buy and doubled my position when it went down. This is the news, and we got a couple of ways of reporting this to you. Let me go straight over. Rocket Lab announcement, and then this happened. This announcement came at 10 to 5 in the morning, which is 10 to 4 in the morning. I reacted to the news at 6 o'clock this morning, and to show you that I was on it straight away. If you look at my X account right here, I will give you the link and you can actually see that I bought this morning and I told you that I was buying. There we go. I just doubled my position. Are you with me? So if you want to vote on this poll, leave me your thoughts. I'm going to give you the link above my head. Click above my head, just there, and you can go to my X account. Leave me your thoughts on this one. 58.5% yes, bought more. 32% not yet, and 9% are not in the stock. A lot of my Virgin Galactic investors are in Rocket Lab with me on this one as well. Okay, let's go back to the news and read the statement from Rocket Lab itself. Okay, here we go. Rocket Lab today experienced an issue during the launch of the company's 41st mission following liftoff from Launch Complex 1. The rocket successfully completed a first stage burn and stage separation as planned before an issue was experienced at around T plus 2 minutes and 30 seconds into the flight, resulting in the end of the mission. We are deeply sorry to our partners, Capella Space, for the loss of the mission. Now, we need to be clear about this. That is bad news. Obviously, it's bad news. We were expecting a bounce on a successful mission, hence why a lot of the stock had gone down, ready for a bounce. However, this has presented us with an even better opportunity because as bad as it is, Tesla, SpaceX, they've all experienced these situations, Amazon. It presented an opportunity to go even lower, and it hit its floor. And we're going to come on to Sensei, talk about the floor and from a chart perspective in a few moments. But it hasn't had a failure for 2 years. The track record and the cash flow and the balance sheet of Rocket Lab is great. This is an overreaction from the whales who knew it would go down, who dumped it. Everybody feared, they dumped it more, and now they're buying it back. This is a perfect scenario for those who want to, the fearful, exchange their stocks for the brave. Basically, it's what I've always said. It's the impatient to the patient. That's basically what's happened this morning. I was waiting for an opportunity like this, so I doubled my position. We are deeply sorry to our partners, Capella Space, for the loss of the mission. We are working closely with the FAA and supporting agencies as the investigation into the root cause commences. Now, of course, with a rocket company, this is going to delay things quite a bit, but I'm not really concerned. We are working closely with the FAA for the root cause. The Electron rocket has previously delivered 171 satellites into orbit across 37 successful orbital missions. We will identify the issue swiftly, implement corrective actions, and return to the pad shortly. Our next mission, currently scheduled before the end of the third quarter, will be postponed while they implement corrective actions. We anticipate providing revised third quarter revenue guidance in the coming days. Okay, so obviously their expectation, we were hoping that the company would be profitable on the next earnings. That obviously isn't going to happen, or very unlikely to anyway. Okay, forward-looking statements. I don't think we need to read through that at all. No, we've got enough information there. So I'll cut the video at that point when I put it out. This is Rocket Lab's Twitter space this morning. You can see they made that announcement 4 hours ago, which gave everyone the opportunity this morning to buy that huge dip. This morning I was on it at 1 minute past 6. Let me look and see how the media have reported it. Rocket Lab stock drops 25% after first launch failure in over 2 years. That's how they talk about it. That was from CNBC. And Mike Wall says Rocket Lab suffers anomaly during launch of Earth observation satellite. Let's have a quick look down here. We already know what's gone on. We want to get to the chart position and see where the opportunities to make money come from. Rocket Lab suffered an anomaly during the launch of a radar Earth observation satellite early Tuesday morning. We know all of this. There isn't anything to say there. So what we're going to do, we're going to get straight on now to Sensei, look at the chart and see. So I'm going to tell you now what I did. I sold some Amazon. I was up 40% with Amazon. I was also up 30% with Tesla, and both of those, Amazon, just as I sold it, trimmed off this morning as well. So it actually couldn't have been better timing, as we expect it to do so tomorrow going into the FOMC report. So this was a perfect timing for me. What I was waiting for was to trim my Amazon. I trimmed that in my brokerage account. There will be some small tax to pay. I trimmed off Tesla in my Roth, no tax to pay, and I bought on both positions. And I'm also ready with money to buy Virgin Galactic on the reaction to this as well. So now we're going to go over to Sensei, who's live with us, and we're going to look at it from a chart perspective. But you can see already I am dramatically up from where I was. And if I look at my overall portfolio, you can see how I've come up, and you can see where I was this morning at 6 o'clock this morning, and throughout the night it went down, and I've managed to pick it up. Now I've got more money to buy more if it continues to go down. And I will double again if necessary and dramatically lower those averages. But right now, we want to go over to Sensei Crypto, who's live on the phone for me. Thank you for giving up your time and calling in. Sensei, good morning to you.
Good morning, Martin. Thanks for having me on the show. Yeah, it's disappointing to see, but that means opportunity has been created. You've jumped on the opportunity, which is the right thing to do. As we were discussing yesterday with the SPCE video, the best time to get in is when everyone's fearful. There is a lot of fear in the market. I woke up to the news on all the different news platforms I'm subscribed to, and there's all sorts of different scary titles to these news. SpaceX competitor suffers mission failure, stock crashes 20%. You saw the CNBC one. There's all sorts out there, a lot of fear in the market. But this has happened to all these competitors. To SpaceX was on the verge of going bankrupt with all its failures. So it is a shame to see. But if you look at the headlines, they haven't had anything like this in 2 years. So it doesn't mean the company's finished. It just means opportunity is created. We're looking at the stock now, and because the market hasn't opened yet, you can't see the big red candle that will be from here all the way down here currently. But this is what we're waiting for. This has come into a zone of support. If we look back to April over here, you can see how it spent time here and then went on its rally of 100%. It doubled in price. You can see over here in December it broke down slightly, and then it went on a rally of from the lows about 57%. You can see it here again in October, we touched this support level, we went up 50%, and once again here in July of 2022, we touched the level and we went up 100%. So this is what we're looking for again. We're back at the zone from 360 to 413. We are already coming up a bit. So we have been in the zone, and what we're looking for now is a move of around. Well, we have to see where the resistance is, but it's probably going to be around these moving averages here, which are coming down. So around 35% won't be. It is in the cards. A move of 35% for a great scalp, we can take it there. I know some people are adding to their long-term bags, which is obviously this is a good area to get in terms of charts. We've never been below the 350 level, so we are at support. We are at a level of buying, and that mixed with that sudden drop is a great time to take a scalp and to add into your long-term bags, in my opinion, anyway.
Absolutely. That's exactly what I did. And if we could look at it now, we can see it's going up and it's holding. Oh, of course, we've got 15 minutes to go, just over before the bell goes. Sensei, if you could just pull up the chart for me of the available cash that the company has, what its balance sheet is looking like, this liquidity. They're in a good position, and this is not going to, in my opinion, do anything long term for the company. This isn't Virgin Orbit, who were out of money, who were then looking to Chapter 11, go into bankruptcy, look for rescuing. I think Rocket Lab are in a good position. This is exactly what happened with Tesla, exactly what happened with SpaceX. How many times did Elon Musk blow up a rocket? It's just the way these things go. I'm not at all concerned. For me, this was a no-brainer. When I saw this morning, I saw it because if I'm a big whale and I own millions of shares of Rocket Lab, why would I not sell my position? Remember that markets actually are available 24 hours a day. So not everybody has that opportunity. On Robinhood, we do have 24 hours a day from Sunday 7 p.m. to Friday 7 p.m. on many stocks, not Rocket Lab, but that doesn't mean others don't. So the markets can react 24 hours a day just because you can't get in and the main market's open, others can. And it makes perfect sense. If I'm a big whale with millions of shares of Rocket Lab, the moment that happens, sell, because the market is going to react negatively in the morning, not because it's a bad thing. I mean, of course, it's not great when a rocket blows up at all, but it's a business you're investing in. You should have that as part of your risk management. But it's going to go down. So if you're a big whale and you can move the market, why wouldn't you dump the stock at a profit, drive it back down, and buy it cheaper? And that's exactly why I bought it this morning at 6:01. So I'm going to go now back to Sensei, look at the company assets, and we can value the company. Is it now undervalued? Is it overvalued? Are we buying a good deal? We can get those answers now from Sensei. So let's go back over now and have a look at the company assets with Sensei. Sensei, what are you showing us now?
Yeah, so we can see the assets of Rocket Lab is around the $1 billion mark. But then if we also look at this debt, we can see that their debt is also just 162 million. So they do have not that much debt to their assets. They certainly don't have more debt than they have assets, which is great to see. Only a small amount of their assets is they've got a small amount. The ratio between debt and assets is quite low, which is what we want to see. So it seems like their balance sheet is somewhere where it could be definitely undervalued at this point. So the balance sheet looks good. There are other metrics that we could dive into later, but just looking at the assets to debt ratio, it does seem like it's a safe bet.
Good. Exactly. So to me, that was a good buy. So for me, I've got a price target on Rocket Lab of $12. I had it at 7, I had it at 6, now it's at 5 and at 5.20. I could buy more. You might ask, why would I not buy more now? Now it's gone down even lower. But for me, I've got to have balance in my portfolio. I want to be able to take some profit quickly from Rocket Lab from this position, only on my Roth though, and look at finding a re-entry back into Amazon because I want that exposure to AI. But that'll come after, or at least the reaction of the FOMC, which we'll cover live tomorrow. Let me give you the link for that, by the way. The link above my head for the FOMC report will be here tomorrow. If you click above my head, that'll take you to the FOMC report. And also more Rocket Lab videos and so on and so forth will be there as well. Let me get, Sensei, I think you've got something for me. I'm just going to come back to Sensei once again. Just bear with me. I'm going to have to cut this video and do a bit of an edit. Just bear with me. We've got a technical problem here. In the studio. Okay. I've just cut the video there when I put it out. We have a slight technical glitch, but not quite sure what's going on there for the moment. Okay, let me just give that a second to download, Sensei, and then we'll be right with you. Okay, so I'll cut it here. Let's go back to Sensei now for cash flow for Rocket Lab. Let's go back. Sensei, what do you have for me here?
Yeah, so this is the cash flow of the company, which is obviously also important to look at. In 2021 is when we got that big increase in cash. So that was looking around over 500 million in cash. Now, so over 500 million in cash, but now in 2022, the year prior to now, is we can see that they've lowered their cash, and their cash flow has become negative. So they are using their cash, but they're obviously investing it in what they see fit. So that's how companies grow. They need to use their cash. They need to take on debt, for example. It will be interesting to see in the next earnings report, when we have some more data about this, which way they're moving. Are they continuing to move down, and at what pace? So it is still important to see. But right now, the most important thing is what we've just seen is a sudden crash down to a high value area, as we saw on the charts. So this is definitely an area where you can take a trade.
Sensei, thanks for calling in. There you go. There's some good information there this morning from Sensei. I believe they're in a good position. I believe that was a good buy. I bought it. I doubled my position, but I haven't gone crazy. I'm slowly building up my positions, keeping my money in all the other assets that I need to protect my account. I'm spreading my investment over Rocket Lab and Virgin Galactic. And if we can just have a quick look at what Virgin Galactic is doing in response, it's going down. I said it would. It wouldn't react before the bell. It's a bit slow to react. It will go down, I'm sure, when the bell goes, and I'm ready to buy more and to lower my average. And I'm hoping with my purchase that I'm about to make will take me under $3 for an average on my long-term position. Hopefully $2.99 will be good. On my Roth IRA, I'm down at $1.90, but I'm not looking to buy any more on a scalp position at the moment. I am looking to increase my long-term position. Rocket Lab is now moving up again. We can see it now going up even more. If I go over to this position here, you can see it's still going up. This was a good buy for me. I'm very, very happy. So if you want any of those links to Sensei, if you want to know about Sensei Crypto and what he does, look below my video. You can see, I'll give you a link up here as well. Go and check out Sensei's website and all his services. He can do charts analysis for you and full crypto analysis for you. He runs our crypto challenge, which I am part of. Go and check that out. Look below the video as well for more information. Click above my head for more Rocket Labs information, my X poll, and I also like to put a video over here and also a bit of music as well. On my music channel, I have featured music every day I like to put over here. For those who don't know, I'm the World Piano Man, and I have a live music channel. So back to the live show. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, fantastic. We'll put that out later on as a video. I'm back with you, Sensei, if you want to talk to me. You are still live and unmuted. If you want to interject at all in the show, you are still with me. All right. Okay, we're 20 past 8 now. let's go through our positions and see where we are. The overall portfolio is down. Berkshire Hathaway is going up, and the S&P is going down. It's all about tomorrow now. We're preparing for tomorrow. Now, I might have missed a few questions there. My wife is a whale, but that's a Shock City Rocket. I love it. Mike thought that was good. Darn it, Mike. What's happened to Mike? Added 700 Rocket Labs. Why have you missed the share ride on my magic carpet ride? What have I missed? The best YouTube channel in the world. Hello, Zach. I'm from Maryland in the US. Definitely would love to. Seth Houston, love you to become a member of my channel. Let me give you the link. You might need a browser to do it. There is the link there. Let me scroll down. For the benefit, hang on. For the benefit of Mr. Kite, there will be a show tonight on Lucas AIDS. We'll all be there, Lady Pablo Fans. I can't do the rest of it. Very nice, Bill. Let's have a look. I bought more at $3.93. Let me make a slight tweak to that. Is that about right? That's about right. I just want to make a slight tweak. There you go. There you go. Rocket Lab can take more than one crash and keep going, but Virgin Galactic can't afford such an incident. That would be true. How can people buy and pre-market and aftermarket? Muzex, where are you from? What country are you in, Muzex? Let me know what country you are from, and I'll answer your question. Where are you from in the world? Buckaroo, I've just sold 5 Teslas and will purchase Rocket Lab, but can't do the trade until 3 p.m. UK time. Buckaroo, how did you sell in the UK before the market open? That's Nikunj. Signor Pilotalot. Thanks, Sensei. What brokerage are you using? Nikunj, where are you in the world? Are you in the UK? What country are you from? Ravel. Iceland. Oh my gosh, I love Iceland. I've been there a few times. Muzex, we do not have a member from Iceland. If you become a member, you'll be the first person from Iceland. You'll be our 41st country, and you will fly the flag for Iceland, and your flag will be up here, and it will be your flag forever. What is your native language in Iceland? And I will speak to you in your native language. What is your native language? And consider becoming a member. You get lots of perks and benefits if you do. I give you lots of great things which you'll love, I promise you. I invest in Earn. I make 8 cents a month per share. I use those dividends to buy space. I bought $500 worth a month. Fantastic. Ty Redman. Ty, was it Ty who became a member yesterday? I didn't see you come into Discord, so I couldn't upgrade you. It takes 10 minutes to come through because of our security. Let me give you the Discord link again, and you might want to come into Discord, and I can upgrade you then. Muzex. Okay, it's in a queue. It's in a queue. What's in a queue? The UK. Oh, you're in the UK. Well, all my UK audience, it's imminent that Robin has come into the UK. As soon as it does, I will give you my referral. All of you will get free stocks on my referral, and I will support you and help you set it all up and live on the show. Absolutely. So, get ready for that. Okay. Just checking a couple of things around the studio. Right. Buy Nikola and Neo. No, I wouldn't touch either of those. I certainly wouldn't touch Neo. Don't like any Chinese stocks at all. It's a corrupt government. It's manipulated, and their economy is down the toilet. So I wouldn't be touching that. Do you think space will hit 150 today? It could do. There could be a flash crash on the bell, and if there is, I'm ready to buy it. Okay. Icelandic. Okay, here we go. Icelandic. Let me see if I'm able to translate for you in Icelandic. Yes, I am. Muzex. Okay, here we go. Muzex. Look out for this. Hi, Muzzex. Welcome to our show. We are live up to 10 hours a day, every day. We aim to be the most honest channel on YouTube TV. I'm actually the World Piano Man. I have a music channel too, and I'm here to help and support people. We have giveaways most days. Become a member and fly the flag for Iceland. Welcome to the show. Okay, let me just change your name. It didn't come out quite right. Muzzex. Here we go in Icelandic for you.
Hæ Muzzex, velkomin í þáttinn okkar. Við erum í beinni alltaf 10 tíma á dag alla daga. Við stefnum að því að vera heiðarlegasta rásin á YouTube. Ég er í raun píanómaðurinn í heiminum. Ég er með tónlistarás 2 og ég er hér til að hjálpa og styðja fólk sem við erum með gjafabréf flesta daga. Gerist meðlimur og flaggar fyrir Ísland. Velkomið á sýninguna.
There you go. That was especially to our Icelandic guest. We have members in 40 countries now. Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea, Ecuador, France, Russia, New Zealand, and Georgia. We do not have a member yet who flies the flag in Iceland. You get special gifts if you do it. I'll leave that with you. Here's my music channel. I was voted as the World Piano Man. Here's me in Sir Elton John's jacket doing Lion King, Phantom of the Opera, my Vegas Showgirl show. It's all there. Rocket Lab is going up quickly now. We're getting a nice bounce. For those of you who've not checked out my music, go and check out my music channel. There it is in the chat. I'll give it you twice. Fantastic. We are looking really good now. Now, we could get a dump as the bell goes. So, we are looking to see how we get... Oh, Muzzex has become a member. Fantastic. We've got a new member. Would everybody welcome our latest member in from Iceland? Iceland. Have I got time to add Iceland? Oh, my gosh. It'll be really quick. Iceland. Here we go. I don't know if I can do it this quick. Let me try and do it. I was going to do it. I would do it after the bell. Edit text.
Muzzex has become a member.
There you go. Here we go. Can I do it before the bell goes? It's going to be tight. It's going to be tight. Iceland. Oh my gosh. Why did I try and do this? Iceland. There it is. There is your flag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Save. Okay, I've done it. Your flag is in place. Let me just adjust it. I should have time. Right, watch to the end. Your flag is in place. You'll see it come in. All right, fantastic. I'm just going to get time to do this as well. Overlays. Fantastic. We got a new member. Really great. Brilliant stuff. We got a new member. There it is. Thank you very much indeed. We got a new member. So I'm going to give you all your perks and benefits. I just managed to get that in time. Rocket Lab, we're going to go straight back to Rocket Lab and see it going up now. What an overreaction. Did you all buy this? You could scalp it now if you want. You've obviously made some money. We've swung now. We've swung we've swung about 15% so far, so looking very, very good. Thank you, Sensei, for all your information. Okay, we're down to the last minute. Here we go. I've got to get this in. My member, I will give you all your perks and benefits in a minute once we get into the show. Just a few moments to go. Here comes your flag. There's a Jamaican, of course. Keep looking out for your flag. Iceland will come right at the end. New Zealand, Russia, you can see. France, Georgia, and there's Iceland. And it's right on the bell. We got 15 seconds to go. Look above my head. There's your flag, just over there. All right. Whoops-a-daisy. I'm smashing all the equipment up. All right, here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has now gone. We are into the main session, and let's see where Rocket Labs go, and let's see if we can find anything we can do. Seth Houston has just become a member as well.
Seth Houston has become a member.
Why am I getting that come through twice? I'm really quite confused what's going on this morning. Anyway, Rocket Lab. Let's see what's moving. Right, I'm in red. Warren Buffett's in blue. The S&P is in pink. We are going now. Let's move. Virgin Galactic is going up. It's holding up. I'm ready to buy more. Berkshire Hathaway. I've got my share of Berkshire Hathaway yesterday. Arm Holdings is down. I said it would go down. I'm not buying it till it goes down to $20. Palantir down. Mullen is rubbish stock. The S&P is down. Amazon, I trimmed it right at the top. I trimmed it right up here, right at the top. I trimmed it before this morning and used it to buy Rocket Lab. Very, very nice indeed. Apple down. Next Era Energy down. Enphase Energy, good. Going up. I've got my position ready to scalp. Just 10% to go. Coca-Cola going up. J&J going up. Kenvue down a day. Chevron is up at the moment. Who's going to win the stock race today? Is it Martyn Lucas or Warren Buffett? Warren Buffett is in blue. The S&P is in pink. I am coming up. Seth Houston, we will come to you in a few moments' time and celebrate. We will celebrate your membership in just a few minutes' time. Thank you very much for joining the party. It's great to have you here. I will give you all your benefits and perks in just a few moments' time. Let's carry on. Chevron, we're nearly there now. We've got 4% to go, and we can take money off the table with Chevron. Tesla, I sold it at the top this morning here to buy some Rocket Lab. Rivian going down. We're not in it. McDonald's is a buy. 5.5% down. That's a buy now. McDonald's, you cannot overbuy land. Amazon, still too expensive. Microsoft, even more expensive. Walmart is up. Tesco is up. Who's going to win now as we come to the final furlong? Is it Martyn Lucas or Warren Buffett? Yes, I am green. The studio has turned green once again. Let me get out of the red. Yes, I'm beating the S&P. I'm about to beat Warren Buffett at his own game as well. Again. Tesco is up. Tilray is going down. We're not buying Tilray until it's down at 220. Robinhood is down today. I'm not buying any more yet. IonQ, great, but massively overvalued. It can crash down 100% in a day. Rocket Lab is still going up. Looking very nice indeed. Massive overreaction to it. I'm down just 16% now on my main position. I was down 40% this morning. Massive swing. I was down 40% on my Roth position. I'm now down just 7%. Couldn't be better. Fantastic. I'm very excited, as you can tell. Plug Power, Procter & Gamble. As we now come onto the final line now, who's going to win? Is it Martyn Lucas or Warren Buffett? Right on the line, we have Faraday going up, junk stock, Rio Tinto, Bitcoin is up today 1%, and Matic is up 1.32, XRP is down 0.08. Who wins the stock race today? Martyn Lucas. Once again, I beat Warren Buffett and I beat the S&P. Let's hear it for me. Yes. Yes. Again, I know. Again, I beat the market. What can you say? It's becoming quite a regular thing now. Anyway, very, very good. What an exciting start to the morning this has become. Fantastic. We are green. We are beating the market. We're beating Warren Buffett. We're beating the S&P. It's gone swimmingly well. Right, we've just had a new member come in. Welcome to the family, Seth. Now, I need to just go back for a moment to give everyone all of their perks and benefits who have just become a member. Look at that. We are very green now. What a great day. Virgin Galactic 194. It reacted positively to this. This is very, 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 very good news. I might be able to make some money. I am making money. It's time to scalp trade Virgin Galactic and bank some cash. Yes, get in. Get in. I love it. Right. Okay, here we go. I'm going to give everyone their perks and benefits. I'm just going to make a quick scalp trade on Virgin Galactic. Okay, so we're up now. We want to make some money out of this. Bank it. It's tax-free, not paying any tax on the profits. Let me go to my Roth IRA. Let me go into Virgin Galactic and space. Trade, sell, 250... limit order 195, continue. I wonder, continue market hours, continue. 3 p.m. today, 195, 250, 195. 250, yeah, let's sell that at 195. It won't go through yet. It's just dipped to 194. Place. It's got to go up it's got to go up 2 cents or 1.5 cents. Because it's 195. It might not do it. I might have missed it. Damn it. I think I've missed it. I might have missed it. Let's see. It's selling off. It was a quick reaction to Rocket Lab, an opportunity. People saw that. And 1 more cent. It's got to go up 1.5 cents to do it. Will it do it? This is my order. It's will be a 3% or 2.5% profit. I don't think I'm going to get it. It's cooling off. It's reacting now to Rocket Lab. It'll go lower. That's exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted to sell it at 195, make a quick 2.5%, and then buy it back down at below 190. Is it going to do it? Watch it closely. I don't think it's going to do it now. I was about a minute late. I was doing all my memberships and getting all excited. Never mind. It's not about me. It's about the show. My profits and my personal trades come secondary. All right. I might get it. I doubt it now. I doubt it. It's losing momentum. Let's go back to Rocket Lab a minute. I'm going to come back to our members in a second. Rocket Lab has continued to go up. Yeah, I'm not going to sell that yet. 4.85 down. It's not going to take that long, though. 194. Come on, 194. Damn it, 1 cent. There's no point doing it now. I'll just buy more. I want to 195. Oh, partially filled. Sold some. 195. Partially filled. Sold a couple. It's got to go 196. Tilray going up as well. 195, 196. Sold. Yay! Fantastic. I made 3.33% profit on Virgin Galactic. Brilliant. I've got plenty of cash now to buy more Rocket Lab if I want to. Brilliant. I just sold my Virgin Galactic in my Roth IRA, tax-free. Celebrate. Of course, we got to celebrate. That's a quick, easy money. Lovely. What should we do? Cheer. All right, now then. Let's go back to my long-term position where I can put the profit. Let's have a little look. We're down 37% at the moment. Soon as Virgin Galactic responds negatively, which it will probably do in a minute, once that little bounce is over, see, we'll go back down here and I'll buy with the profit I've made from Virgin Galactic in my Roth IRA. I'll buy it, even though they're separate accounts. I'll use the money from somewhere. If you look, I've got $383. And I'll buy it back lower. If it doesn't go lower, doesn't matter. My main account continues to grow. Right, it's a good day. We should be nice and green. Yeah, we're beating Warren Buffett. We're beating the S&P. And we're beating everybody. Beating everybody. I love it. What an exciting day. Right, okay. Now then, I'm going to give our new members all their perks and benefits. But before I do that, we're all making money. We're all doing really, really well, hopefully. Let's go to work. I go live up to 10 hours a day to give you the most honest channel on YouTube TV. All I ask is you support me by tapping the like button if you like the content. Right then, 94 people watching. Let's call it 100, right? 94 people watching, so 50% of that's about 50. That's the average people vote. I get 99.5% up likes, but sadly, most people just can't be bothered. They don't sign in, they don't do anything. But if you can create an account on YouTube, you can take part, you can be part of the family and get involved. Everyone smash the like button, make sure that everyone has. Now, if you smash the like button, it will YouTube will suggest and show you my content for breaking news, things that's happening, and you won't miss anything. If you don't like my content, and I don't mind, I might not like you, let's be honest, hit the down like button. You won't see my content anymore. You'll get what you want to see, so you'll be happy. If you tap the down like button, you won't see me anymore. I'll be lost forever. All right, I don't mind, because I want the most engaged audience, not the biggest, the best. The best will become the biggest by being the best and the most honest. So tap the like button or the down like. I don't mind what you do. Thanks to all of you who are doing it. Now, I see some of you are behind the stream. I can see into your living room, right? If you're behind the stream, this is what you do. Look at the live button here. Is the live button red? If it's red, you're up to date. If it's grey, you're behind the stream. Tap the live button. You're now within 30 seconds. But hang on, you can actually be live into the future. What you do, you click the cogs here. Click the cogs here. Go to playback speed 2 times. Now you are coming up to date even more. You're now within 30 seconds, but hang on, you can actually be live. All right, live. You're now more than up to date. You're actually in the future. You know what the stock price is before I'm making it. I'm only joking. You'll actually be within 5 seconds, 10 seconds of me. Thank you ever so much, everyone who did that. Really appreciate it very much indeed. 54. We're over halfway now. That's much, much better. All right, back to the main stock and let's have a look. So I'm beating Warren Buffett. I'm beating the S&P, and that is exactly why you need to trade and take a profit where you can and buy on the news if you know the fundamentals are good. Right. Very, very good. Let me check in on our Rumblers this morning. We've got a nice audience on Rumble. Thank you very much indeed. Great to see you here. Let me just say hello to our Rumblers. There we go. There's our Rumblers. How you all doing this morning? Lovely to see you. Thanks for tuning in. Who has voted on the X poll? Now, if you want to know my trades before I make them, ahead of time, I tell everybody what I'm going to do so you know. I'm not here to pump and dump or promote or anything. I'm here to help people and share what I'm doing in real time. Here's my X account. Go and follow me on X. There is my X account. Now then, you can go and vote on this poll here right at the top. Did you buy more? Did you get in on Rocket Lab this morning? Now, Virgin Galactic, I just took my profit. Let's have a look. We're about to get a very exciting moment on the channel. Who wants to be my 1,000th follower? 991. Let's see if we can get it to move. If everyone watching me now goes and follows my X account, I will reach 1,000 followers. Very, very exciting. Do you know 95% of accounts on X are under 1,000? So I'll be very, very excited if I get 1,000 followers. If you like what I do and you want to go and check out who I really am, my music and my personal side, here is my music. And it's right there. It's right at the top of Martyn Investor. You can see my Martyn Lucas one right there. You can click my personal and my music. Let's see if I can get to 1,000 followers today. It'd be exciting, right? Okay, let's come back to the main screen. Muzex from Iceland. So we've now got 41 countries. We've added Iceland today. I'm now going to give all my new members their perks and benefits. Okay. Iceland has just been added to the list. Fantastic. Virgin Galactic, we're waiting to buy it back down. Now, when I say I've sold it, I've only sold my Roth position. I'm about to add to my main position with the profit I made from the Roth. Okay, so I only made about 3%. However, 3% is a third of what you make all year on average on the S&P. Tax-free, made some money. Now I've got liquidity. I can buy more because undoubtedly it will drop today because tomorrow is the big day, of course. So anything under 190 is a buy for me, and I can buy it on my brokerage long term, but also buy it back on my Roth. So I win twice, right? Very, very good. Let's go back to Rocket Lab and see what Rocket Lab are doing. Dream day. I'm only 1% away. For the first time, I was 48% down on Rocket Lab. This is fan-flipping-tastic. And I can sell this on my my Roth position with no tax penalties at all. Now, what I could do, and I'm tempted to do, because there will be a downplay. We've had a good swing here. Even though I'm down 20, 30 bucks, look, 2%, this might be when the steam runs out. I could sell it all now, put $1,700 back into my Roth and buy it back lower. Now, my average is 473. I'm not quite in the money, but I'm very, very close. I could sell it here because we are getting resistance for the first time. Take a loss of $48, which doesn't matter if I can then buy it back $100 cheaper. I will still be better off by 50 bucks. Makes perfect sense, right? So I'm going to keep my eye on that. Now, while I'm doing that, I want to welcome our new guests. Tilray is not going down to 220. The best you will get. I don't agree, George. Jason Richard, good morning. Sid Tilray, good morning. Rocket Lab recovering fast. Just bought at 420. All right. Let me just refresh that a minute. Let me refresh that. I bought it this morning at 365. Space going up more. Yeah, Ion Q also going up. Looked like it was a clone of Martin Lucas. Looked like there was a clone of Martin Lucas. What's that? No idea what that is. What do you mean tomorrow's a big day? What's happening for Virgin? The FOMC report, of course. Everything happens tomorrow. Just bought 20 shares of Rocket Lab. Little late, but I'm at work. Seth, look at N phase. 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 Up 4%. Yes, I am. Oh, hang on a minute. No, not quite there yet. 9%. Okay, fine. Rocket Lab. Look at N phase. Right. Okay. This is good. Virgin Galactic's now 198. We're doing very, very well. The overall portfolio is up. I'm still beating everyone. Just about the same as Warren Buffett, but we're beating everywhere at the S&P. Really good. Okay, we got cash everywhere. We got $300 over there. We got loads of money. Okay, good. Rocket Lab. Right. Now then, sorry for taking a while. So we got 2 new members this morning. Welcome to you. You now get a badge which will be upgraded in time. I will never increase the price of your membership ever. It will never go up with inflation ever, but I will give you more and more perks and more benefits along the way. So your investment to support my channel will go up. It's the best investment you could make because you'll never pay more for the memberships, and I will constantly increase the benefits and perks to you. Your badge will change in time, and your perks and benefits will be more noticeable and improve. As a member, you can now access all the membership-only videos that you could not see before. We have members-only live streams on the homepage of the channel. Look down here, and you get members-only videos, members-only live streams, members-only live chats, things that I don't show to everybody else. That's very personal and some very good information that I would rather just give to the members to reward you for supporting me. Remember, everything I do is to try and help you. It's not about me making money at all. It's about me being known as the guy who provides the best YouTube TV show in the world. That's what I want. I will answer all your questions live on the show. If you are a member, you can ask me a question. I will answer it. If there's too many people in the chat, I will go members only. So only members can be seen. So I'll do that. Also, if you are a member, I will back test a stock for you, review a stock for you if you want me to make a video on a stock. If you give me a super chat, say you give me $10 of a super chat and you want me to buy a stock and make a video on it, I will do that for my members. So if you want me to actually buy shares and actually make a video on a stock, members only, I'll do that for you. If you go to my links page and you see all of my social media, follow me. On all my social media, I will reply to all your questions and help you grow on social media as well. There is my links website, martynlucas.com. Links are below as well. There it is. If you go here, you can see my newsletter, which comes out from time to time and gives you information. And we have lots of cash giveaways. We gave a couple hundred, $204 last week. We give away money all the time. If I make money, I like giving it away. I like helping people. I just enjoy it, right? It's free to enter, free for all, but in the newsletter, you'll get extra tickets. So you can sign up for my newsletter. There's the links page. You can scroll down and you can see all my social media. You can see my Facebook. You see all my my X account, Twitter, and all the rest of it, Instagram, and all the rest of it. All that stuff you can see, and all the different channels, the music channel, and all the rest of it. We have live concerts every Friday. Members, you can make requests. Now, also as a YouTube member, a bronze member, you will get on your birthday, which you can have for yourself or donate to a family member the day before, the day of, or the day after, a birthday celebration. People pay me $500 to make them music videos on my music channel on their birthday. You get it for free as a member. This is my music channel. Go and check me out. Subscribe to me on here and check out my music. I was voted as the World Piano Man, and here are all my videos. I've just put out some very special videos a few days ago. We had the sad passing of Billy Miller. I did a tribute. I did the voice of Tom Jones for James Bond. I can do the voice of James Bond. I can do the voice of Neil Diamond. If you don't believe me, are you ready? You ready? Where it began, I can begin to know it. I do 14 voices, 7 different languages, and 650 songs. You can have, as a member, a birthday. As a silver member, you get a 20-minute concert for a wedding, a birthday, anniversary, whatever you like, or a fundraiser where your charity will get all the money. Also, you can call in live to the show every Friday. It's live phone-in. You do it through Discord. If you want to know my trades before I make them, other than my X account, I'm on Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get through Discord. Here is the Discord link. Here it is. There's the Discord link. If you want to go into Discord, it's free for everyone, but only YouTube members will be upgraded to be able to be in, to be able to call in. So if you use that link, it will take 10 minutes because it's a security level. You come in here, welcome in here. I will say hi to you. Ty, yesterday, I didn't see you come in, and I will upgrade your account if you want to be able to call into the show, see the trades, talk to the team, talk to the members. These are all the perks you get as a bronze member, and the levels go up and you get more as you become a higher member. All right? All right. Thank you very much for our 2 members this morning. Now then, Virgin Galactic, we're waiting for the dip. Rocket Lab, with the profits we've already made. Rocket Lab. Now I am seriously considering selling, even though I'm down 4%. I've swung my position from 48% down to just 4%. So I'm better off by like 44%. I could sell this for a very small loss and then buy it back because I anticipate there's a very good chance that we've run out of steam now. There's no reason for it to go up from here. So I'm considering selling my Rocket Lab and taking a very small loss and then buying it back cheaper around about the 4.30 because I've made the money by even though I'm down, I've made the money. Does that make sense? That's about as much as you're going to get today. Or I can hold for an actual profit, another 4%. It's possible, but the momentum is gone. It's possible. I could get out at a wash and use the cash to buy back lower. I'm thinking about it. What's my overall position? Yeah, I'm green. I'm beating the market. I'm not beating Warren Buffett anymore. How's my Berkshire Hathaway share doing? Berkshire Hathaway, I'm up nearly 1% on it now. Only bought it yesterday. Virgin Galactic, it's holding. Ready to buy back in again if we get a drop. I'm holding my cash in the meantime. ARM, I want to buy it at 20. It's too expensive. Palantir, 16. I last bought it for 15.32. It's gone lower. It's an opportunity. This is the biggest swing. Sell half on Rocket Lab, buy back later. That's a good, Daniel Dennehy, that's a good suggestion. Thank you to that. Thanks for that. 1509. 2.5%. What's the best use now? Where's my next move going to be? So even though I'm down, I've gone from 48% down to 4% down. And that's a very, very, very good position. So even though I'm down on it, what I can do is sell it here and then buy it anywhere around the 4, which you could easily do again. Or just wait. It's a very good price. I just wait and... for Rocket Lab, that is my brokerage account. I need to set up my Roth, Seth. So, is anybody in America here that doesn't have Robinhood? Because if you are in the US, I can give you a referral to Robinhood, and you can get free stocks. I'll give it to you now, and I will guide you through it. This is what it is. Invite a friend, get $5 to $200 worth of stock. We both get that. Someone had one of my guests, my members, had a Apple stock once. Let me give you the link. All right, there it is. Okay. Let me give you the link here in the chat. All messages. There you go. Let me give everybody the link. So, and if you do it now, you set it up, I will support you. You'll get free stocks live in the show. And all those in the UK, you will get the link imminently. It's available in the UK. So there you go. I'm in Fidelity. Well, set yourself up a Robinhood account. You're going to get $200 worth of stock for free. And I'll support you. And that's what I use. You might as well. It makes perfect sense. Makes perfect sense, right? Let me mute Discord. We don't have Senzi in there now. Back to the welcome all, waiting for our guest to come in. Right, we're just turning red. Make your mind up. Let's stay green. Let's stay green. We're right on the button. I'm 50-50 between selling Rocket Lab, even though it would be for a loss. It'd be a massive, massive, massive improvement, and then wait to buy it back lower. It would need to go down 5% for me to buy it back for losing 5%. Will it go down 5% from here? If I sell it for a 5% loss, will it go down another 5% from here? I think the reaction was pretty bad. Overreaction. Will it go down 5%? It would need to go down another 10% for me to be able to benefit from it by 5%. Does that make sense? Otherwise, there's hardly any point, really. I'm not paying any tax on it. So it doesn't matter from that standpoint. But Yeah. Okay. Seth, when you make a Roth, does that make a new account? Would it still work? Only because I currently use Robinhood. It's the same account. It's your same account with Robinhood, but you have two positions within Robinhood. It allows you to trade. You don't trade on your brokerage account. You trade on your Roth account, because that way, first of all, you get a 3% match. You get free money. Second of all, you can trade tax-free. Don't trade on your brokerage account. That's crazy. If you've got a Roth account, trade in your Roth account. The point is, you can only have up to $7,000 a year, but you can make infinite amount of profits. I'm up to $15,000 now. I only started it 2 years ago, because you make profits on it. So always trade on your Roth account. But yeah, set it up. Crazy not to. Crazy not to. It's free money and opportunity to trade for free. Tax-free, I mean. Anyway. Yes, I have to hold because I bought in too late. I just bought a brokerage account. I just need to set my Roth up. For Rocket Lab, that is. Bad day for Rocket Lab. Waiting for Rocket Lab to reach all-time low before adding any more to my position. Far too many headwinds right now with this failed launch. Fed tomorrow and revived guidance down. I don't see it as a problem, Pete Barker. I saw it as an opportunity this morning. I was 48% down or thereabouts. I'm now down 4%. So I bought it. I doubled my position. And we've looked at the balance sheet. Their debt position is good. Their assets is good. They've had one failure in 2 years. I thought you were all bullish on Rocket Lab. From 48% down to 4% down. Brilliant day. Brilliant day. I've just taken a profit from Virgin Galactic. I used a 40% profit from Amazon, tax-free. No, that was on my brokerage account. That wasn't tax-free. Tesla was 30% to buy Rocket Lab. I'm very, very happy. Very, very happy. So anyway, I am looking now for a small profit, if not sell for a loss here, because I've improved my position, and then buy it back lower. Anyway, I am delighted. Perfect. IonQ, Palantir going down more. IonQ and Palantir going down more. IonQ. IonQ is massively overvalued. It could go down 100% in a day. It could easily do that. Tomorrow it could do that. Doesn't make any money yet, remember. People have got all excited about quantum computers. Palantir. AI, that's a great opportunity now. I could use my profit there. Let me have a look at that. Okay. Not yet. It's getting close to my position. Okay, not quite there yet. Rocket Lab. It's holding here. I was considering selling it. I'm in Fidelity, says Ty. Get yourself Robinhood. It's far better. I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. I've just compared them all. And, you know, when you make a Roth, yeah, we've answered that. People know the potential of Rocket Lab. I don't know why it would hit all-time low again. Mistakes happen. Companies fail on some projects. And this is a 10x more likely for a space company, SpaceX launches. I agree, Jacob. That's why I bought more. Look, Virgin Galactic all-time low. What does this mean? Going to zero and delisted? I hope I'm not wrong. I hope I'm not wrong. John, I'm not quite sure which what your statement was there. You're wrong or not wrong, I'm not sure. Virgin Galactic, I'm waiting to buy more when it dips. ARM, it's only worth $20. Palantir, $14.97. Holy cow, even though I've been invested for 2 years, definitely making that priority. I've always been a long-term person. Can you transfer from brokerage? Seth, no, as a member, that's what you get. I answer all your questions. That's what I'm here for. I'm live 10 hours a day on Robinhood. This is what I do. I'm not sponsored by them in any way whatsoever. I'm just telling you how it is and what I use it for. You have your brokerage account. You have your Roth account. You can't transfer from your brokerage to your Roth. However, you can get around that. What you do is you go from your brokerage back to your bank and then your bank into your Roth. You'll get 3%. You get a 3% match. Just leave it in there. It means you can buy and sell stocks as much as you like. You can day trade as much as you like. You can scalp trade as much as you like. Swing trade, long-term trade, invest, whatever you like. Tax-free. You get 3% for doing it. So you get like $210 or something like that just for doing it. Was it 350? I think it's 350, whatever it is. You're going to get that just for doing it, for setting it up. Yeah, but you can't go from brokerage because it needs to be new money. You've got to go out your brokerage back into your bank, from your bank into your Roth. Simple. You can transfer from one Roth to another, which you've already had a match from your business, your employer, and get another 3%. Robinhood do that as well, which is insane. So you'll like double your you double your free money. Yeah. Why anyone would trade on a brokerage account is beyond me. You're paying taxes. This is free tax-free profit. So anyway, join in any day for this wonderful tips like this. All right. Okay. I'm really happy now because I've got plenty of cash on hand. Right. Yeah. There's nothing for the minute. And it won't be. So, everybody, let me talk about tomorrow, the FOMC report. This is everything. We're going to be live on this tomorrow. If you want to be the first person to leave a comment and you want to book your ticket for tomorrow, you got to book a ticket for this one. There you go. There is the video for tomorrow. Just go there and click the notification bell. Leave a like. We've got 5 likes in it already. It's tomorrow. There's our new members, Muzex and Seth. Welcome to you guys. We're going to be live tomorrow with this one. We're going to cover the FOMC live, trade live, invest live, and we're not going to miss a trick. Okay, we cover all the earnings reports, you name it, we're always there. For those of you just tuning in this morning, please, please, please help me out with my music channel. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. It doesn't make me any money. All my music is to help and support people. It's all copyrighted music, so I make no money at all. It's not about me, but I've raised a lot of money for charities, but I want to do another round of charity concerts on my music channel live, and we're live every Friday. Join us for this Friday's live event. And I want to do fundraisers, and if I get 10,000 subscribers, YouTube turn on the gifting opportunity. So it allows me to do fundraiser concerts where all the money goes to the charity. No taxes, no fees, doesn't come near me, it goes directly, and the money that the video earns, the whole lot, and you don't pay any transactional fees. So please subscribe to my music channel. It really helps me out, and most importantly, it helps me out because I'm helping others, and it makes me happy, right? All right, it's not about me. Hey Martin, you that like dividends, check out MO. Interested to see what you think. Okay, Nonny, I will try and come to that in a minute then for you. Just bear with me a second. Let me go through a few things. If you've just tuned in, tap the like button and subscribe. That would help. We've got 69 watching, 59 likes. Brilliant. Smash the like button, guys. Help me out. Really appreciate it. Virgin Galactic. Now then, we're waiting for below 190. Berkshire Hathaway, I'm holding it. Arms, none worth 20. Palantir. $32, 15.5. Thinking about it. Mullen, junk stock, gold, S&P. Sold it at 11%. We're down to 9. I'm starting to buy more S&P soon. Amazon. Sold it at the top. Trimmed it off. Not trimming it anymore. Bought it at 99. Apple. NEE, dividends, 10, -9, 26, Coca-Cola, J&J, Kenvue, Chevron, keeps going up, Tesla, I sold it at the top this morning. I can buy it back now. 369, 32, 375, down 4%. 263, 272. My Roth IRA, 32. 363. Wait, hold, Rivian, no. McDonald's, no. No, I want my powder dry for tomorrow. Tilray, no. Not worth anything right now. Go to $2. Robin Hood, IonQ, Rocket Lab. Yeah, it's holding, so we're going to hold that until we make some money on it. Okay. Bought more Palantir. I was looking at that. Only buy stocks that are down significantly. Only buy stocks that are down significantly. I was yeah. I think I'll take a break. I've done very well today. I'm very happy. I got nearly $1,000 in cash for tomorrow. We want to have it for tomorrow. I want to let my day trade numbers cool down for my pattern day trading. So I might not trade anything today. I've already traded once. I've traded Virgin Galactic, but that actually wasn't a day trade. That was a swing trade from yesterday. All right, I think we're good. We'll go over to, yeah, I'm green. My portfolio is good. It's beating the market. I'm about to beat Warren Buffett, I think. You can see that there's Warren at blue. I'm in red. I'm beating the S&P. Tesla only down very slightly. Only buy stocks, yeah. Yes, but I do want to add from my Roth to my main position, though. My Berkshire Hathaway share is up today. Palantir. I'm going to hold my cash. Yeah. My Matic is 53 cents. Bitcoin. XRP is flat at the minute. Let's look at our crypto bubbles. Let's have a little look to see what our crypto bubbles are doing. Reasonable. What is my crypto position now? 1733. Started at $1,000. We're doing all right. 1730. Let's check in on Bloomberg, see what they've got to say.
I will fly, not train.
And I train.
See, totally opposites. Go figure. Michael, you're going to head down to Washington, D.C. What do you expect here from our Federal Reserve this week?
It's another, as almost always, another watch what they say, not what they do. The markets have priced out any chance of a rate increase this week, but there's still that dot hanging out there that the Fed gave us in June for another rate increase. So we'll look to see what they say about that. If they keep the dot in the dot plot, because we get a new dot plot, and then we get a new series of their economic projections. And the thing to watch there will be the PCE inflation forecasts, because if they lower their forecasts from what they thought would be the case in 2023 and 24, then that would suggest that they think they're pretty close to done. If they leave them the same or they raise them, it leaves some uncertainty about what they may do going forward.
In terms of the SEP, Wait, what's that stand for? Something in economic projections?
Summary of economic projections.
Summary of economic projections.
He didn't know what SEP stands for. This is Bloomberg. Are you having he actually admitted that. What does SEP stand for? I'm a Bloomberg analyst and I don't know what. Oh my dear God. That's hilarious. Right, enough of you.
At least for 2020.
See, that's why we're better than Bloomberg.
We're looking at 3.9.
Yeah. Don't listen to Bloomberg. They don't know all the terms. That was funny. All right, brilliant. Sorry, I had to laugh at that. What is that? What does the S&P 500 stand for again? What's that? Bloody hell, man. Right, there you go. That's the funniest thing I've ever heard. Martyn, can you confirm you got your free shares at Robin Hood? Your gift? Oh! Someone has just signed up for Robin Hood. I just got a free gift. Hey! What did you get, Zach? Did you just use my referral? Look, your gift stock has arrived. Pick your piece of stock like Apple, Microsoft, or Alphabet limitation. Claim your free stock. I've just got a free stock. Excellent stuff. Did you get one as well? So let me claim it. I just don't want to show my account number. So let me just come off here a minute. Click on this. Claim that. Here's oh, bloody, it's always $5 for me. Here you go. Look, here's $5 on us. What did you get? I always get $5. I've had my members get $200. I got $5. All right. Well, that's easy. Claim my stock. Okay, you've got here's $5 on it. They always give me $5. Why do they give me $5 for? Okay, I'm gonna claim my stock. Here we go. All right, it's a no-brainer for me. Long-term position. $5. What am I gonna get? Am I gonna get Apple? No. Microsoft? No. Google? No. Amazon? No. Tesla, there you go. $5 a Tesla. Excellent. Money for nothing and Tesla for free. I'm going for Tesla. Money for nothing and you've Tesla for free. There you go. You ready? 3. Let me just look at it. Make sure I get the best deal. If I'm buying $5 a Tesla, I want to get the best deal, right? Oh, yeah. Yes, it's going down right now. So that, as you can see, Tesla's down today. So watch. You ready? Here's my little position here. So let's see what I'm down by. Right, I'm down by 3.69. Let's see if it changes. 3.69, 3.65. Let's have a look. Back to here. Swipe. 3.69. Whoop, we go. Yes. 3.3. Yeah, look. There you go. I'm down 3.22. There you go. It made a difference of nearly 0.5%. Brilliant. There you go. Very, very, very good indeed. Thank you very much. Get your money for nothing and your Tesla for free. There you go. Great stuff. Did anybody else set up oh, it's going up. Look at that. Just as I bought it, it's going up. That couldn't have been better, could it? It always goes this way. If you live positively, you do good. Okay. So Zach's 8. You obviously just did that. What did you get? You've just received a share of Tesla. Brilliant. Virgin Galactic. Woohoo. Yeah, that's gone. So, bam. I can't believe it. As soon as I bought Tesla, it's going up. That's good, isn't it? Let me have a look. Let me see who is... let's have a look. Pedro. There's a few reminders here. Zach's 8. There you go, Zach. I can see it. See you here. What did you get? What did you claim? I'll look to sign up when it comes to the UK. Fantastic. I'm reminding a few people here. There's a few people here on my show that haven't set it up. There's free stocks waiting for you, and you've not set it up. So I'm going through. Look. These are my people, look, where I can remind you to set it up. Now, some of you might not be able to get it, but you will soon. Remind you, got it. Michelle, there's Michael P. There's Bruce. There's Robert. San. There's quite a few of you. Some of you in America, some of you in the US, UK, will get it later. Pedro, there you go. And make sure that you go and do it because it's free money sat on the table. You might as well, right? Anyway, you got $5 a Tesla. Get in. Hey, it's $10, isn't it, mate? $10. Sorry you didn't get 200. Boo. It's only happened once when one person got 200. Anyway, very good. Right, Virgin Galactic is going up. Aha! Rocket Lab. I didn't need to sell for a loss. It's going up again quickly. Rocket Lab. Okay. All we need to do is make any level of profit because I can put that into my main brokerage account for the long-term position. I don't want to be overweighted in Rocket Lab, but I mean, right now I've got like $4,000 of it. Too much. I want to go back into my Tesla. So if I can make 5, 10%, doesn't matter really. Doesn't matter. I'm not trying to time the market. I'm not trying to beat anyone or any of that stuff. Time to sell. Yes, on your Rocket Lab. You think so, do you? I agree because there's going to be a downtrend on it. There's bound to be. It's hitting that position again. It bumped into it before. 469, 465. There's no reason people are buying into it, which is great, but there's no reason why it should dramatically go up from here. 469. So let me go into my Roth IRA. I'm doing nicely on it. It might be time to sell it. I agree with you. You've wiped a 48% loss down to 1.5. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that in a day, does it? It doesn't get better than that. Trade, sell, limit order. 466. Continue. Market hours 3 p.m. today. 383, 383, 384, 383. All right. $1,700 in cash I'll have. It would put me in a very nice position for tomorrow. Now, some of you are going to say, no, Tesla, just cash. I'm not sure what you mean. No, Tesla. No Tesla, just cash. I don't understand what that means. No, Tesla, just cash. Sell your Tesla? No. Martyn, I haven't had time to look into anything. You said there are free items. Please resend links. Martyn, haven't had time to look into anything. You said there are free items. Please resend links. Okay, it's bouncing off that again. 463. What do you mean, Pedro? We're watching it buffer twice now, getting rejected. You said you will use it to buy Tesla. I said don't buy Tesla. Oh, I see. Would you sell Rocket Lab looking at the chart, Sensei? Even though I'm down 2.31, I was down 48%. That's a huge You know, I've gone from 48% down in one day to down 1.9. I mean, that's a really good swing, right? I don't see any reason why it'd go up from here just yet. And I've got my long-term position. I don't have to make a profit to benefit from this. I've added to my long-term position this morning, and I'm down just 10%. That was also down like over 25-30%, I think. So I am considering taking a very small loss of $34 and having the cash on hand to buy Rocket Lab again. What do you think? Pedro, if you want the link for all my free stuff, there's loads of free stuff. It's on the links button. Here's my links button. Okay. I'll give it you twice so you can see it. All right. Waiting to hear what Sensei says. I think all tech stock will sell off this afternoon. Keep your cash, Martin. You said you will use it to buy Tesla. I said, don't. Yeah. Robinhood stuff, silver member stuff, if I recall. Robinhood stuff, silver member stuff. As a silver member, you get everything that the bronze members do. Plus, I will put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel if you want to go there to help you grow on YouTube if you have a YouTube channel. You get a 20-minute fundraiser or a 20-minute concert. That's it. You can claim all those free stocks by using the link. Pedro, what country are you from? I would certainly take some off the table. Great trade. No need to buy. No need to be greedy. Yeah, it's holding there. I mean, even though I'm down $30 to make a 40% swing in a day is a phenomenal position. I mean, I bought here this morning. I bought it at $3.65. I made $1 a share. $4.70 it is now strong resistance and more likely to go down from here. Profit takers will start to dump soon. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Even though I haven't made any money overall, it's a very, very good swing. $1,700. 169. Sold. Excellent. Okay, I've sold. So I've gone from 40% down to 1.25% down in a day. I am happy with that. So there you go. I've just sold my Rocket Lab position. Now I've got my long-term position over here. Here's my long-term position. I'm down just 9%. That's the amount I actually want. I don't want a massive allocation. That's 6% of my portfolio. That's very bullish. 6%. There you go. I've now got $2,300 in my Roth IRA. I don't think I've ever had that much cash in my Roth IRA before. That's a very strong way to go in tomorrow. Sometimes exiting with a minor loss is a win. Yeah, it is. Particularly a 40% swing from where I was overall down. Anyway, very happy with that. Okay. So I need to post that. Okay. Here's my... Does everyone think I did the right thing? KLB. just sold my rocket lab. I was down around 40%. Whoops, around 40% before today. I bought the dip and now sold for 1% loss overall. 472. It's just broken through. It's 472 now. Just about to make money if I'd held it. Anyway, rocket. I just sold my rocket lab. I was down around 40% before today. I bought the dip and now sold for 1% loss overall. Did I do the right thing? See what you think of that. Vote in poll. Just sold my rocket lab. I was down 40% before today. I bought the dip and now sold for 8. I bought the dip and now sold for 1% loss overall. Did I do the right thing? I also added to long-term position and holding. Vote in poll. All right. Yes. Whoops. Good trade. No. Bad trade. And don't know. There's always people who go, well, I don't know. Don't know. Okay, there we go. Like your thoughts on that. I just add that. RKLB. Rocket Lab. Okay, done. Okay. Okay, there we go. And post. What do you think? Good move? And give everyone the link to it. I'd like you to vote on that. Tell me what you think. Was it a good move or not? Okay, I'll give it you twice in the chat. I'll give it there. And let me add that vote in poll on X. Okay, I'm going to put this onto my Stockwits as well. This is my Stockwits. I get a lot of information from here. It's always an interesting place to go to for information. There you are. There you go. So if you want to, if for those of you who like information on the stocks that you don't see on X, here is my Stockwit. It's the Twitter of the stock market. There it is. If you want to follow me on there and see some inside stuff going on, which you don't get to see anywhere else, that's another interesting place. All right. Okay. 464. All right, it's going down now. So now we've got $2,000 in cash We're in a very good position now. Yeah, I'm very green. Let's show you where I am. There's my overall portfolio. I'm beating Warren Buffett, and I'm beating the stock market again. And Rocket Lab, there's my Roth IRA. It's just slightly red, but I'm beating the market over on my Roth IRA. And my total balance is 42.6, but I've got 2,300 in cash over there, and I've got 380. Yeah, good. Happy with that. Happy. All right, it's been a good day. We've all made money. Everyone's made money, hopefully. If you haven't, I don't know why. There's a great opportunity today. Smash the like button. Good morning, investors. Jose, you've missed a really big morning this morning, Jose. We've made a lot of trades. I've had a swing of 40% that I was down. I was down like 40% and sold for a 1% loss. So like a 39% swing with Rocket Lab. Got loads of cash available for tomorrow. You can see I'm beating all the markets. Lowered my averages on stocks. It's been a very, 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 very good day. Very happy with that. So let's quit while we are ahead. I think we'll come to the end of the show, take a break. There you go. Let's have a look at the poll, see what people are voting on. Was it a good move? See if people agreed with me. Yes, good trade. I've just one vote. I was going to go, that's overwhelming. 100%. It's one vote. Rubbish. One vote. There you go. This is the vote on my X account this morning. Just sold my one Rocket Lab. Yes, a good trade. One vote. Anyway, let's see how that goes throughout the morning. All right. Thank you ever so much indeed. Good show. Thanks to all my TikTokers. Next time, join me on YouTube for a much better experience. You talk to my serious traders, my serious investors. You learn a lot more, and it benefits you. Click the star, become a subscriber. I'll answer all your questions, make videos for you, and invite my 37,000 followers to follow you on Twitter as well. One of the perks you get if you are a follower on TikTok. Okay, that's it, folks. We are rocking and rolling out of the park. Time to do day trade of the day. There's nothing really I want to buy more now until tomorrow. We've got cash built up. Berkshire Hathaway, my shares doing all right, 0.5%. ARM, $20 when it goes down. Palantir. What's my Roth position? I've got some money there. I'm going to wait for it to go lower. I don't mind holding a 9% loss on it. It's fine. Mullen, rubbish. Gold, not yet. The S&P, I've lost. Well, I trimmed it all off at 11.5%, 12%. So that's good. Amazon, I also trimmed that up here as well. That's good. I can buy it back cheaper. Apple. And next year energy, yeah, that's good. I could lower my averages on all over the place. Right now, my Roth. I'm not going to though. Not anymore. I think I've had a very good day. I'm going to stay out of the market now, or stay in, but keep my money that I've got now over nearly $2,500 ready for tomorrow. So if you want to join me tomorrow, we're going here it is the Fed report. We'll be live there tomorrow for that. Here's the link to it. We've got 2 new members to celebrate, Muzex from Iceland and Seth. We've flown their flags this morning. Thank you ever so much. Let me give everyone the link to that. If you do want to join me, we do have a Friday concert this Friday. It's Friday night is music night. If you want to be the first person to leave a like, leave a comment. Here, let's see how many likes we get on it. Who's coming to the concert on Friday? As we ring the bell on Friday, there is the link. Let's see how many people click on the link. You ready? Leave it there for 30 seconds. Who's coming to the concert on Friday? Friday night is music night when we have a beer, celebrate our profits, and drink down our losses. Let me give you the link again. Go on, everybody. Go and leave a like there. Go and leave a like there and click notify so you are coming to the show on Friday. All right. Here you are. Let me give it 10 seconds. Let's see that go to 2 likes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, gone to 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. There we go. 4. There you go. There you go. Fantastic. It's going to be a good night on Friday. We've got a lot to celebrate this week. I'm sure no matter what happens tomorrow, there's going to be opportunities to make money. All right. I'm beating Warren Buffett. I'm beating the S&P again. And I'm very, very happy today. It's been a good day. All right. Okie doke. Time to get off. Time to take a break. Good day for space. Yes, it didn't react badly. It reacted positively to Rocket Lab, which was very, very good. I made a profit. I sold my Roth position, lowering my main position, and made money from Rocket Lab as well. So we're waiting to buy a dip. When that goes back down again, I can jump back in again, and I can buy. But we'll wait until tomorrow now. All right. Over on the poll, you said I got 4 votes. Good trade, no, bad trade. Tell me why. If you voted, if you voted a good trade, I know you understand what I did. If you voted a bad trade, there was 2 of you. Leave me the comment on the vote on the poll there. Tell me why you think it's a bad trade. Now, if you're going to say to me, yeah, but it's going to go up. Of course it's going to go up from 464. That's obviously, I believe it's going to go up. That's why I hold a long-term position and I'm keep increasing it. Of course I believe it's going to go up. Doesn't mean it's a wrong trade, though, to sell it even for a 1% loss, which it was on my Roth. Remember, that's tax-free. Because I was down like 40%, I turned around a huge loss on Rocket Lab. It's more likely to go down before it goes up again. And even if I didn't make any money, in fact, lost 1%, I was down 40. I've improved my position. It's very, very important. People often only ever count the positives. They never evaluate the negatives. And it's very, very important. Remember the day I told you when I was made bankrupt years and years ago? I declared myself bankrupt, even though I didn't have to do it. I did it on purpose. I was down like $1 million or whatever. I walked out of the court with £1 in my pocket. I gained $1 million. So my position had dramatically improved. If you have credit card debt but have money in the bank, the money in the bank isn't worth anything just because you think you've got money in the bank. If you have credit, debt, stocks that are down and you clear them, and even if you go from minus 40 to minus 1, you've improved yourself by, a position of 39 points. So even though you didn't make a profit, and some of you are going, no, bad trade, you could have made more money if you'd stayed in. I've already made a change to my portfolio of like 39. That's a huge, that's like 10 years on the S&P. Some people don't understand that. Sometimes it's the right thing to do to take a very, very small loss. If you've improved yourself by 40%, that's a huge win. And that puts me in a very strong position now, because the chances are, even if Rocket Labs goes up and you go, well, you missed out. I haven't missed out. Well, technically I've missed out, but I've got the cash to buy when it goes back down again or something else. But even if it does go up without me, first of all, it's not going to, because I'm in my main position. So I've covered myself from the long-term position as well. But if it does go up and I miss out, I still gained the 40% that I swung it this morning anyway. So that is a huge, huge win. It's about not getting greedy, trying to time the market, expecting more and more. You've gained a massive position. It's a huge win. So anyway, there's my thought. So that's why some of you may have said no bad trade. I don't think you understand the full complexity of actually being down and sort of price that in as well. Anyway, that's up to you. All right, I've got to go. Let me roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Day trader of the day. Day trader of the day. Members only. One of the benefits of being a member of the channel. Let's go over to members only. Okay, here we go. Members only now. Should we have a quick look at the subscribers? I know Sensei likes to see this. He likes to enjoy this. You ready, Sensei? You ready? We've had 557 of you through the stream today, 4,000 over the last 48 hours. 10,737, 10,741. Fantastic. All right. Okay. So bring yourself up to date. Click the live button. Click the 2-speed. You know how it all works. Let's do day trader of the day for members only. What did you buy from your Rocket Lab loss? Well, it wasn't a loss. I was down 40%. I sold it at a 1% loss. I gained 39%. What have I done with it? I've done absolutely nothing with it. I've got now $2,300 in cash in my tax-free position, waiting to buy tomorrow, because I expect to see this go down, and tomorrow we got other movement because the FOMC report is going to kick in. But I also bought it in my long-term position and held that and improved that position as well. So that's what I've done. Anyway, and as you can see, it's gone down since I sold it, and I anticipate it will. And as I say, it won't even matter if it goes up. I win either way. Okay, let's day trader of the day. So I'm beating Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett's in blue. I'm beating the S&P, and that is very good. There we go. So I am up 0.22. Up 0.22%. There you go. Up 0.22. Let's put a minute on the clock. Let's give everybody the chance now. Members only. Day trader of the day. I'm up today. Wade is down at 2.72. Amazon killed me today. I trimmed off this morning at 1 minute past 6. I sold it. I trimmed off a couple of $1,000 worth of Amazon. Yeah. And I bought Rocket Lab. Down 0.73, up 0.58. Fibonacci Blue goes into the lead. Congratulations. Up 0.48, says Zaxay. Winner so far is Fibonacci Blue. Fibonacci Blue. All right, we'll ring the bell there. Same Amazon, my biggest position. Amazon is my biggest position, but I trimmed it off this morning, took profits. So, and I'm before the drop. Fibonacci Blue, up 0.58. Congratulations, you win today. Thank you very much for your honest trade. Appreciate that very much indeed. Thank you very much indeed. And give him a thumbs up. Really, really good as well. And let's do the effects. That's it from me. Fantastic. Another good day here on the show. We've all grown. We've all made more friends. We've got more members. We've got 41 countries. We've got Iceland now represented in the channel. Welcome to our brand new member from Iceland. Lovely, lovely stuff. 41 countries now. That's it. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Thanks for your support. New subscriber, Fomi Sergeev. Members, Bill, Muzek, Seth, Bill twice. How did he get in there twice? How did he get... Hang on a minute. Why is that doing it twice? This is why I got everything said this morning twice, didn't I? That's weird. That's weird. Why is everything coming through twice? Anyway, not to worry about it. That kind of explains... Let me just test that.
Martin Lucas Investor has become a member. This is a test.
I seem to be logged in twice. Don't quite know how I'm logged in twice. How am I logged in twice? Anyway, that's it from me. Time to get out of here. Thank you very much indeed. We've got the Rocket Lab video coming out shortly for those that missed it. Mine is held in different accounts, and I receive the shares when I work there. Not sure if I could transfer them. Wade, yes, you can transfer a Roth, no problem at all. Robin will take care of that for you. Oh, that's cool. Congratulations, Blue. Thank you very much, everyone. Damn, I'm late. So I'm up 1.85. Too late, MSK. Great day today. Absolutely brilliant. Congratulations to you. That would have been a great result. That's it from me. I will see you back this afternoon for the closing bell. Look out for the Rocket Lab video. And while you're waiting, make sure that you go and get yourself a ticket for Friday night is music night. There is the video. And I have put out a couple of videos you might actually enjoy that you might have missed. I put out a James Bond 007 and 500 miles. Go and check those out. But until then, that's it from me. Thank you ever so much. Have a wonderful afternoon. As always, take care of yourselves and each other. What a great day.